Holiday season quickly winding down. It's time to get ready for the new year. And for many, a new year means a new you. But sticking to goals and New Year's resolutions isn't always easy, as we know. And that is where Elizabeth Koraca comes in. Elizabeth is a career strategist and host of the Speaking Up podcast. She joins me now with some tips and tricks for upgrading your life in 2023. We can all use a little of that. Elizabeth, thanks for being with us. So a lot of us, of course, make and then break our resolutions after sometimes a matter of days. Sometimes it takes a few weeks. What is the main reason why people don't stick to their goals for the new year?
The reason why people don't stick to their goals for the new year is because they're not specific enough. They are vague. There's no real kind of goal behind it, and you need to write it down so you are reminded, so you check in on this goal every day.
Makes a lot of sense. So talk to us more about the importance of having a why for your goals and how you can apply that to the resolutions.
Yes. Well, if you have a why behind your goal, it's going to help motivate you. Let me give you an example. During the pandemic, I gained 15 pounds like many of us, and I wasn't happy about it. And the why behind that for me to lose that weight was I want to fit back into my clothes. I want to feel like my old self again. I don't want to spend all this money on having to buy 1 or 2 sizes bigger. And I wanted to keep up with my kids and have that energy level. That is what motivated me and pushed me through to make it happen.
Makes sense there. You got to incentivize yourself. So sometimes we get overwhelmed, by everything we're doing. We're busy. How can we set priorities and actually take action and see it through?
Well, you hit the nail on the head. Prioritize this goal and this New Year's resolution. You need to put it at the top of your list. If it's not at the top of your list, it's not going to happen. It's in the middle, it's in the bottom. There's more important things ahead of it. You have got to make it a priority. And you can do that by having a list, having calendar reminders, printing it out, having it visible so you're also reminded, because this is a new habit. You're also training yourself to do something new and break old habits that maybe aren't that favorable.
Yeah, I'm a list maker, and I am living proof that it works. Elizabeth Koraca, thanks so much, and happy New Year to you.
Thank you. Early Happy New Year to you too.